Hello everybody, how are ya? I hope you're good, guys. We're on day 29 of the 2024 31-day Smashbook challenge. Now, there's a couple that we could switch around because they were kind of like a repeat, and I was like, yeah, nah. So, I kind of came up with the last three on my own, and today is day 29, and I picked favorite artist. My favorite artist, of course, is Vincent van Gogh. I picked myself because, you know what, I consider me a mixed media artist. I'm not famous like Diane Ravelli from Delusion, and Claude Monet is also another favorite of mine. So those are my favorite artists. Modern day, as in this century, way before I was born, and of course me. So that is day 29, favorite artist. And I will see you guys tomorrow. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.